Well, what's up, good people? Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to say thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of the Joe Boo Sports Report, as well as Joe Boo's day job and cooking and tailgating with Joe Boo. You know, I love my Dewalt tools. We are rebuilding the red brick house, and pretty much the majority of my tools are all Dewalt cordless tools. And having built other houses with corded tools over the years, this has been a pleasure doing it with my Dewalt tools. And I've always loved the 60-volt tools because they've got a lot of power, and it's like you get as much power as you would for a plug-in one. Although I will say that the battery technology is getting so much better that even the 20-volt tools are almost as powerful as the other ones. I got a 20-volt hammer drill, one of the lightweight duty ones, and I've been using that, taking down that brick chimney and separating all that stuff. So I'm actually impressed with it. I've been eyeing getting one of their chainsaws. And of course, they have the 60-volt one, which is a 16-inch bar on it. And it's $2.99 for the tool only, or $3.49 with the battery. Now, here's the thing. Quite frankly, this is the better bargain right here, because getting that 60-volt battery, now this is only the 9-amp one. They do have the 12 and the 15 coming out. That battery is worth anywhere from $169 to $199 just for the battery. I don't need the charger because I got a million chargers at home, and especially having the 4-bank charger that's also a generator. That's right, you can put 4 batteries into it, flick a switch, and you got a 15-amp circuit. And I have run off of 20-amp batteries a 65-inch TV for 4 hours off of it. So, and you know, they say you can run a refrigerator for a couple of days with it because it's not continuously going. So, looking at this, they have the 12-inch chain model, $279 with 1 battery, or $229 without the battery. Yeah, that sounds good if you like me and you have a whole bunch of batteries, but I kind of like getting the batteries pretty much dirt cheap. So I'm going to end up getting one of these, the 60-volt, $349. $50 for a battery. It's almost worth buying it just for the battery. And definitely having more and more batteries is always a good thing, because you got so many different tools. And like when we're working on a red brick house, you know, I'm using my circular saw, I'm using the sawzall, I'm using the nail gun, I'm using the hammer drill, you know, I'm using the vibrating cutter. I've got, you know, and you don't want to just say I got 2 batteries and I got 5 tools. So this is definitely a good deal right here, and I'm definitely going to get that one. All right, we'll check it out.